a distinct honor for me, as this marks my first occasion after a sabbatical. I last spoke during cabinet days when the Honorable Minister was my colleague and my neighbor in cabinet. You will also note that I am adorned in red today, as this is the color befitting the Ruby Jubilee, symbolizing 40 years of His Majesty's remarkable reign. And whilst today is April Fool's, the 1st of April, let me assure you that the prices associated with this initiative are no jest. They are very real. It is with great pride and a deep sense of purpose that I stand before you today at this moment of convergence, where vision, as can be seen, celebration of 40 years, and national aspiration of all of us aspiring winners of these prizes meet. As we approach the Ruby Jubilee of His Majesty King Mswati III, we are not only reflecting on 40 years of leadership, but on a legacy of continuity of a dynasty of almost 1,000 years of the House of Dlamini, of resilience and the enduring spirit of Emaswati, despite everything that we've been through as a country. This milestone is not simply a commemoration, it is a moment of reflection. And of renewed commitment to the future we are actually building together. On this day, we are introducing one such expression of that participation. The Royal Signature raffle is more than an offering of luxury. It is a symbol of inclusive prestige and shared national purpose. As His Majesty announced that this initiative brings together a curated portfolio of 5 ultra-premium prizes, which everybody has mentioned, but for the sake of television, I shall also endorse, collectively valued at 50 million Emalangi, including the Rolls-Royce Ghost, the Aston Martin, the Lamborghini Urus, the Mercedes Maybach, as well as a high-end collection of jewelry. Therefore, Mr. Dangote, Mr. Gates, and all your loved ones, please feel free to throw your coins this way. Mr. Elon Musk, if you wish to throw in a Tesla into it, we shan't deprive you. We are simply planting trees under whose shade we might never sit. And you might think, what's the point of investing? But for a ticket valued only at 200,000 Emalageni, one stands the chance to win a prize valued at 10 million Emalageni. Since we take this moment to acknowledge the vital role of the media here present today. I'm overwhelmed by their presence and support for this initiative. They are playing a vital role in society, and their partnership is what we rely upon today to carry and proliferate this message worldwide. Yet, beyond these assets lies a greater purpose, as His Majesty has so powerfully affirmed that even if one does not win, there is pride in knowing that you have contributed towards the completion of a national landmark in the International Convention Center project for the benefit of all Emaswati. Think about the employment, the tourism, and all the benefits that the kingdom stands to thrive off of, including the milestone that His Majesty just achieved at the Equatorial Guinea, whereby we are expecting 106 countries to flood into the country next month. So this is not merely a raffle, it is a patriotic contribution, one that invites participation from both local and international society. In this, we return to a defining principle: global prestige and national mastery. As I close my remarks, I'd like to affirm that excellence can be both inclusive and refined. Inclusive because it is open to everyone, but refined because there can only be one winner. That aspiration can be attained through contribution, and that national celebration can unlock broader economic opportunity. Honorable Minister, ladies and gentlemen, my honor to formally endorse the Royal Signature Raffle as part of the Royal Jubilee celebrations of His Majesty. Let this be the first of many signatures that shape this legacy, and now, with gratitude and anticipation, we mark the beginning. We mark the beginning. We are activating a moment. A moment where participation becomes legacy. A moment where generosity becomes infrastructure. A moment where Eswatini steps forward, unified, confident, and visionary, following the vision of its leaders. In recognition of this moment, we acknowledge and thank all Emaswati and all you fine people here today, together with the wider international community, for your support and the support that this initiative has already, by faith, received.
Thank you very much, Your Royal Highness. Now we'll observe the ringing of the bell, which symbolizes the launch of the Expo, a terraform job. So,